My name is Shrenuj Gandhi and my Unity ID is SGANDHI4. This screencast is about implementing proxies, cache, and queues. In this assignment, we have to basically implement operations using Redis. So our main.js file contains the logic for all the different operations, and the proxy.js is basically our proxy server that will be routing our request to different servers available. I'm basically using two data structures called servers, which is a queue, and visited, which basically stores, which is again a queue and stores the visited URLs path. So let's fire up our scripts. So this basically initiates the proxy server script, which in turn looks for the server's queue in the Redis, and it basically offloads our request. So in the beginning, our application server is available on port 3000, and it has basically cleared the cache for the recent visited websites and the recent visited routes and the other servers. So let's test our getSet methods. So by default, this goes to a default method, and it basically prints hello world. This is just to test whether the server is on or not. At the same time, you can see like whatever request is being hit, the proxy displays the server along with the port number, and the main.js script basically outputs the route which was hit. So let's start with the get operation. So initially there is no value to the key, so it basically gives us that the message expired. And now if we run the set command, it says that the message will self-destruct in 10 seconds. And if I refresh it, it has expired. Again, if we set it, it says it's on key 2, and if we get the second key, this one will expire in 10 seconds. So for this, I'm using the Redis set and get methods along with the expire method. Moving on, the next method that we have to implement is the recent one, which stores the most recent visited routes. For that, the route name is recent. So this one gives us the, so I refreshed a lot of times on this route, so I'm getting these hits. Let me try another route, and if I check the recent again, I will see that listen servers was hit, list servers was hit, and then again recent is there. So recent basically is implemented using a queue, which stores the path and then trims the top to store only the top 5 elements, top recent 5, and in the end, on hitting it, it just displays whatever it's in the queue. Moving on, we have upload and meow operations, wherein we have to upload images, and meow basically outputs them in the most recently uploaded order. So if I run meow right now, it says the image queue is empty because I haven't uploaded any images. Let me go ahead and upload some images. So let's say I upload an ice cream image and a Harry Potter image. So it should basically first show me a Harry Potter one and then an ice cream image. Again, if I refresh it one more time, it basically it's empty because we just loaded all the images it had in the queue. We can check this again. Let's say we add this time ice cream, then Harry, and morning. So basically it should give me the morning image, then the Harry one, and finally the ice cream one, and in the end we get the queue empty again. So this again is implemented with a queue in Redis. The only trick here is that I use the lpush command to insert the image, and at the same time when I'm displaying it, I'm using the L pop or the left pop. So the direction in which I'm inserting is the direction in which I'm taking it out, and that basically makes it a stack. The next method on our list is spawn, destroy, and list servers method. So list servers method is basically giving us a list of all the servers on which our app is running. Spawn will basically help us to create a new server, and now the app is listening on port 3001. I have a test browser already open, and so this one shows us 3001. I have another one, so right now I'm not getting any hits on 3002 port number. Let me just spawn that up so that, oops, yeah, 3002, and there we go. So if I do a list server command, I get the number of servers that I have. Now I'll go ahead and use the destroy method, and will randomly destroy servers on the port. So if I refresh it, so now we had initially 4 servers and I destroyed 2 of them. Let me go ahead and try to destroy another one. So we're only left with 1 server, and if I try to run that route again, I'm getting that all servers are destroyed except 1, because we don't want all our servers to be deleted. So that said, this is the implementation for the spawn, list servers, and destroy methods. Finally, we have to implement a proxy, which is something like a server that basically routes requests to all the other available servers. So this one is basically starting at 5000, which is the script we ran here, Proxy.js. So its task is basically to offload request and in an equal manner to all the available servers. Let's see what we have right now. So we only have 1 server available. Let's spawn up a couple of more and we can test whether they are being offloaded equally or not. So I have here 4 servers. One, 2, 3, and 1, 2. And the idea is that as soon as I hit some routes, they should be offloaded to different servers such that no requests are given, like there's no priority given to requests for a specific server. They should be distributed equally. So I have 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, and it's following the same order again and again. So this is basically implement again by using a queue, where I'm using a right side pop and a left side insert, so making it basically a circular thing. And this is like all the methods that are described for this assignment. And this basically concludes the screencast.